Scottish.
Yes, say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
What's your good name, my dear?
My name's Fiona and I'm from Scotland.
Wow, and
I'm
you?
Michelle and I'm from the Netherlands.
OMG, it's very nice to meet you,
And you,
girls.
where are you from?
We're the Philippines. Say hi to the Philippines.
And your name?
Tata, and this one is NJ.
Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to have friends with you, girls. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
I like it. Very nice. And welcome to... Wala ko energy. And welcome to Al-Sif Dubai or Board Dubai. At this moment, nandito kami ngayon sa one of the heritage and historical place of Dubai. So, pinuntahan talaga namin dito. It is because Starbucks ang pinaka-isa sa attraction in this place. Yung lugar na to, parang seems like Corniche in the Qatar. So, almost the same. Meron din itong heritage boat. Tsaka, let's tour and migrate din sa Sukwa Cave sa Qatar. Almost the same. So, difference lang talaga is, I think, you my friend, because you're from Abu Dhabi, right? And you're here in United Emirates for how many years?
5 years.
Tell us about here in Al-Sif, Dubai.
Al-Sif is known as the old Starbucks here.
Okay, and then, what else?
It has a playroom.
Yeah. No! Give us tips and information. What should we do here? What else we can do here? Nagahang siya. Buffering. So let's tour and take a look what inside of this place. And well, it's the day because it's the last day. Say hi to my vlog. Hi, we're from Philippines. Ayun lang, guys. In fairness, very clean at saka very vintage yung kanilang toilet. Keep it up. Linis, sarap. Guys, welcome to the historical Starbucks of Dubai. OMG. Andito na ako sa front of the Starbucks. Sobrang vintage talaga niya. Tsaka, ang daming tao dito actually. Daming tourists kasi one of the attraction. So, itutur natin ng konti. So, ganito niya kanyang wall. Diba? So, ang daming tao. Sa loob, quick tour natin na for a moment. Kung hindi naman talaga ako magkakapit, mag-vlog lang ako. Oh my gosh, nice feeling. So ito, yung kina-counter nila. Ito yung inside. Sobrang amazing to reach in this Starbucks. Magkakape lang ako. Akala mo pambili. Picture sa Starbucks na bibili sa Karak.
Only for 2 dirham.
Hindi ako for Starbucks kasi medyo mahal siya. Pero akala ato sa pagpipicture. Pero masarap din kasi ang Karak kasi sa Middle East, di ba?
Yes, of course.
Isa sa pinaka din yan, favorite tea ng mga tao. At saka affordable kasi yung Karak. At saka good for the health din yun. At saka magaling sa digestion. Kasi magkape ka, huwag na magkape, malang Starbucks eh. Hello guys, at this moment we're here inside of the boat. Dubai Abra. This is my second time in Dubai and this is your first time? Yeah, first time. So, ground trip kami dito sa dagat-dagatan. Tsaka makita natin yung view ng Dubai. Tsaka a breath of fresh air. At this moment is 4 o'clock in the afternoon na. So, medyo lumalamig yung panahon. Masarap. Mag-enjoy ko dito. Magkano to? How much?
Order naman.
40 dirham only. So, affordable siya. So, it takes, I think, 15 to 20 minutes ang pag-around dito sa dagat na ito. So, ayun. Get enjoy. Woohoo! Hello guys, at this moment we're here at the Alriga. Say hi to my vlog, ate.
This is Union side.
Union side.
Yeah, Union there
Say hi to my vlog, ate. Hi to the Philippines. Saan to yun?
Ano yung naglalagay?
Nag-vlog ako.
Ano?
Ano to, Alriga side? Ano?
This is the goal. This is the Union. At kumbaga, boundary.
Oo, nice. Kasi nakikita ko sa TikTok ang dami mga kabayan dito. Tapos parang,
And this side, ano na siya? Halika.
okay.
Nakabat ito.
Buti na lang kita namin si ate.
Kasi,
Kasi nag-walk by kami dito. Galing talaga kami dito sa Abra.
may baba lang ninyo.
Hindi po, last day. Kaya enjoy natin yung Dubai. Ito. And hello guys, we reached already in Alriga, which is Filipino community. Nandito po lahat. Sobrang busy din dito. Para lang tayong nasa Ermita, nasa Manila.
Like Malate.
Yes of all. As in, ganun yung vibe talaga, Manila vibe. Kasi nga, alam mo yung parang, it's very basic talaga na makita mo talaga sa Pilipinas na ganito. Ganitong vibe. So, ayun. Tingnan natin mamaya yung mangyayari. Kasi yung first time ko dito, kasi nga, nakikurious lang din ako kasi nakita ko nga sa TikTok, yung mga Filipinos, sasayawan din dito. So, parang, at least manaman din natin kung gano'ng kasaya din dito. Diba? Ha?
That's
This is your first time or second time?
No, it's almost 5.
Really?
Yeah.
So, did you excite or did you enjoy?
I didn't expect.
Actually guys, si NJ ngayon kasama ko for the last day kasi nga yung mag-asawa, nagkaroon din sila ng moment for each other. So kami naman together kasi last day. So yun, let's explore.
What's happening tonight?
Yes, it's already 4:30 in the afternoon or 5 o'clock na. Sarap. Wag mo 5 o'clock in the afternoon na kasi medyo windy na ngayon. So, check it out. Guys, welcome to the night supermarket of Alriga, which is isa sa mga pinupuntahan ng mga kabayan sa atin dito sa Dubai. Tinatong buyers, kaya ayun, na-experience ko na siya, nakikita ko na ito sa TikTok. So it's nice to be here. So ang ganda ng vibe. Light is on, and Filipino food, andito, Filipino vibe. Tsaka, gutom ka na ba, my friendship?
Yeah, a little.
6 o'clock in the evening na, so mas magiging brighter yung night dito, tsaka magiging alive. So it's nice to be here. Since this is my last day in Dubai, so kailangan ko i-try yung metro dito. So bumili ako ng ticket. It's 25 dirhams and it has 19 points. So ayun, i-try natin kung gano'n ka-busy. Sobrang busy dito guys. Parang ako nasa Ortigas. Ang sarap ng feeling kasi nga parang iba yung vibe dito sa metro na nakasanayan ko dun sa Qatar. So ayun, Alriga Station kami, Alriga diretso to Union.
Yeah, Union to Dubai Mall and
So maghiwalay na kami ng aking best friend sa Dubai Mall. So let's see what's gonna be inside of the metro station. Napunta tayo sa pinakamabangong station. So dito kami sa Union, papunta na kami. Grabe guys, sobrang crowded tsaka sobrang busy. Parang FIFA 2022 lang dun sa Qatar. May itong feeling. So, dito na kami. So, lahat ng mga tao dito busy. Busy. Sa Burj Khalifa, mag-iwalay na kami ng best friend ko. Thank you for 2 days na nag-enjoy talaga ako friend. Miss talaga kita. Friend for keep talaga and friendship goals talaga ito namin. After 6 months. So I hope you enjoy with my vlog and our travel vlog. Sige na my friend, alis ka na, aura ka na. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye to all the Philippines. Gusto ko na sana ako sa fountain for the last drop sana dito bago ako umuwi. Sobrang daming tao. Today is Wednesday. Hindi pa naman weekend dito sa Dubai. Pero oh my gosh, lahat ng tao ay galing yan doon sa pinakalabas sa Dubai Fountain. Sobrang busy talaga dito. Grabe, ang crowded. Sobrang medyo mainit. Kasi sobrang daming tao. Grabe, ang daming tourists. Sobrang busy talaga ang Dubai. Unbelievable. Guys, hindi muna ako umuwi. Dumaan muna ako dito sa Burj Khalifa for the last drop of my last day dito sa Dubai. So, ginrap ko na yung chance. Saka, I need to seize this moment alone. So, ayun lang sa ng feeling maging alone despite of a lot of people here. So, sometimes you need to enjoy by yourself. Tsaka sana pagbalik ko dito sa Dubai or somewhere traveling the world, sana kasama na ako. Hindi na ako alone. Malay mo, di ba, future ko, dadating na siya. Grabe guys, you know what guys, today is Wednesday, pero sobrang crowded. Di ba yan weekend ha? Diba kita mo kung imagine mo kung gaano kadami ang tourist tsaka yung mga tao na pupunta para lang dito sa Burj Khalifa, sa fountain show, and you know, to mesmerize this Burj Khalifa. The tallest building in the whole world. Amazing. Highlights. Ayun po guys, kita nyo. Ang taas ng fountain. At nagpapasikat na si Burj Khalifa. Daming tao guys, sobrang nakaka-amaze. Kasi ay-amaze na amaze kahit naman ako. Pakita natin konti. Papakita nyo naman. Life, guys.
Hey, hold up, I ain't with that. Devil try to get his lick